Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick hole repair using the Prest-on Insta-back drywall fastener. So here we've got an access panel that's cut, that's no longer needed. So we're going to be able to go back with the original piece of drywall and put it right back in. Another method you might have is, let's say someone punched a hole in the wall. Step one is obviously going to be to square up the board and then have a new piece of board that's going to go into that hole. So what we're going to do first is we're going to attach the clips here using the tabs that you can see that hold those in while you're getting everything set up. Then go ahead and use 4 clips, left, right, top, and bottom, and get those placed there. This is a great alternative so you don't have to come in and cut back to the stud or try and fish a board in behind these. So we're going to use a standard drywall screw. Recommendation here in your first screw is that you put it right here just between these 2 prongs. And we always kind of suggest running these in as opposed to straight on. Go ahead and do it at a bit of an angle. And it's going to bite right into those perforations. Do the same thing all the rest of the way around. And then we're going to go back in with our original piece of board. We're going to slide it right in. And then we'll go ahead and screw that in as well. So same thing here. Again, whenever we're going into those perforations, we're going to recommend that you go in at just a bit of an angle. It helps it roll into those. And then after that, these tabs you see here that held everything in place while we were getting it all set up, we're going to toggle those back and forth, and they're going to break off just below the surface of the drywall. We've got everything screwed into place. All we've got to do now is just mud, tape, sand, texture, and paint. The big benefit here is we did not have to cut back to the studs. We did not have to fish in a piece of board behind it. And we've also got a nice strong structure that's actually stronger than the original drywall because now we have some steel backup.